In this video, I'll talk about how you can use the Temu affiliate program for passive income. Now, how this works is you're gonna sign up to the Temu affiliate program. Once you've signed up, you'll get these links right here. And with these links, what you can do is you can send this or promote it anywhere. So if you have an audience, this will be much easier. If you don't have an audience, you're gonna need to put in some work at first. But what you can do is whenever someone uses your links, you'll get commission and you'll also get rewards. Now, here is the passive income part. If you go to invite affiliate, and whenever you invite someone as an affiliate, so they're gonna be an affiliate like you are, and whenever they then get a new person in, so you invite one person and then they invite another person. Now this third person that the other person invited, you're still gonna get commission from whenever they buy something. So you'll get 20% secondary commission on your invited affiliates earnings for 60 days. You'll also get money from whenever you invite people in here and also from in here. As you can see, you'll get 10 to 30% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app. So these are really great ways that you can make money using Temu. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.